Well, here we go again. The same old topic. What do we think on staycation? Well, I think it's like everything else. Understanding what it is important, and staying local seems to be the main theme behind the idea. What about the risks? Well, risks are risks. If you go abroad, I suppose the risks are just as big. And let's face it, who really knows the situation? The one interesting thing that came up today was reading the travel insurance policies of a large conglomerate insurer, and all the green ticks got to the bottom, and then the red tick said no coronavirus insurance. Now, I think this must be quite a headache. It's a headache even if you're older trying to travel abroad or travel anywhere, but at least if you're staycationing and local in the UK, that gives an insurer a little bit of reassurance, but there's no going to be any cover whatsoever for this coronavirus, which I suppose is understandable. Now, other people have asked online, where do you recommend to go? Well, right at this minute, we haven't quite got a clue because we don't really know what the campsite people are thinking of doing. Many of them are on the government 80% wages for the staff, so not much happening. So if the next 3 weeks goes pretty quickly, we might find ourselves suddenly with people wanting to go and stay on caravan sites and campervan sites and stopovers, to find that it won't be that simple. And if expectations are they're going to find extremely well cleansed, sanitised conditions, I think that could be quite a bit of a long way off. But we do think there's merit in people looking at joining a club environment to get as many people and members and set standards, especially for motorhomes, to then be pitched up and well preserved and put together. And if people come and clean everything for you and make sure it's sanitised, that's got to be a start and a way forward. It's not going to be simple because no one will know how that works. There'll be some of the big campervan directories, the bookings.com type environment, who may have to rethink what they're doing, and they can't just sit out there sending campervan and campsite bookings everywhere without some structure of what they are actually presenting. And if it's an old offering, maybe that won't be what people want. Anyway, we'll have to wait and see. I'm sure there's more going to come out of this debate. But for now, we'll just keep reading and seeing where we go to. So good luck to everybody. Take care.